what I'm about to show you all is how to create a wallpaper like this. So if you want to know how to do this, just go ahead and keep watching. All right, so I'm about to show you all how to create this background using Pinterest and Canva, how you get this grid background. So let's jump right into the video. So first, you're gonna wanna open Pinterest and then download the pictures that you want onto the grid. And once I see a picture that I like, I'm just gonna download it with the 3 dots. And you'll see me using my hands, and I'll be using the pencil as well, the Apple Pencil. So I use both. Now I'm about to see like what I have downloaded. Okay, so it looks like I have enough. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to Canva. We're gonna do create a new design, custom size. All right, let's do it for portrait mode since we're already in portrait mode. So the dimensions are 820 by 1180 and they're in pixels. So create a new design, and then we're gonna go to elements, type grid, and then we're gonna look for the ones with the pictures in them. See all. So that's what I'm pressing. And then from here, you can really just choose what type of layout you want for your background. Okay, so this is the background that I like. And then from here, we're going to upload the pictures we just downloaded onto the iPad. So we're gonna go to upload file, and then we're going to choose from the photo library. From here, we're just gonna download all of the pictures that we just downloaded onto the computer. I mean the iPad. This one I took myself. It's some flowers that I have right next to this candle. I just took it on my phone. So here's where you get creative. I'm just gonna be putting the photos wherever I want. Now see, some of them won't fit, so I have to like kind of play with it and just make it how I want to. So for me, I kind of like to incorporate my own pictures that I take and pictures of myself as well. I just like to do that. I think you should be your own inspiration, and I think you should, it's okay to be your own aesthetic. So I think that's good too. I think I'm kind of liking how this is looking. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Save image. All right, so it's saved to the camera roll. Now I'm gonna go to photos, and it's there. So I click it and I just look at it to make sure it looks right. So now I'm gonna press the save or like upload, and then I'm gonna use that as a wallpaper. Set. So for right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and set this as my lock screen. And boom, there it is. I like how it looks. I wanted it to be colorful. I didn't want it to be like black and white, so that's why I added that and that. So I think it came out cute. I really like how it came out, especially because my face is right there and because of a picture that I took. So like I said, I think everyone should be their own aesthetic. Everyone should input pictures of themselves when they're doing mood boards and vision boards. You should also put yourself in there. Don't just put other people and pictures of things that you want. Take pictures of stuff that you already have and do things that you already do now. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it. We're going to switch it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and do landscape mode. So we're basically going to do the same thing. We're just going to change the dimensions. We're going to go to Canva, create new design, custom. Now for the landscape, the dimensions are 2360 by 1640. We're going to go to elements, search grid, view all, and then here you can use any layout. Again, I'm just using the layouts that I like. Okay, this one looks a little bit better. Now we're going to go to uploads again and choose the ones that we want. Again, like I said, put pictures of yourself as well and pictures that you take. Don't let everything be stuff of other people and pictures of other people and cars you want, shoes you want, things you want to do. Do things that you already do now. So right now I'm just making sure everything is like centered and looks right. Okay, so I like the way this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Save. So it's in my photos now. This is how it looks. I like the way that looked. I'm gonna save it for the background. And boom, there it is. I love the way this looks. I don't know if I wanna do it in portrait mode or landscape, but I definitely think this is really cute. This is an older picture when I went out to eat. I was just on a solo date. I got breakfast, so I took a picture. Thank you all for watching my video. I will be posting more videos like this. If you like the digital planning, things like that, I'll be posting more videos. If you have any questions, comment down below.